Are you a civil engineering student looking for essential software tools to enhance your skills? In today's digital age, software tools have become a cornerstone in the realm of civil engineering. They not only boost efficiency, but also open doors to new possibilities, enhancing the way we design, analyze, and visualize engineering projects. In this video, we'll explore 10 essential software tools that every civil engineering student should be familiar with. Stay tuned as we delve into these essential civil engineering software tools. Starting off our list, we have AutoCAD. As a civil engineer, you'll find AutoCAD to be a crucial tool. It's used extensively for drafting and designing civil engineering plans and drawings. With AutoCAD, you can create detailed 2D and 3D designs complete with measurements and annotations. It's a reliable software that can handle complex designs and intricate details. Next up is Revit, another heavyweight in the civil engineering software sphere. Revit is all about building information modeling, or BIM. This software allows you to design and model structures in a 3D environment, making it easier to visualize and understand every aspect of the structure. It's not just about creating a good-looking model, though. With Revit, you can incorporate real-world data, so your models are as accurate as possible. These two software tools are essential for any civil engineer involved in designing and drafting. The ability to visualize and accurately design structures is fundamental to the success of any civil engineering project. Next up, we have Civil 3D. This is not your average design software. It's a specialized tool for civil engineering design and documentation. Civil 3D stands out with its unique capabilities for road and highway design. It enables engineers to create comprehensive dynamic models of transportation systems with high precision and efficiency. With Civil 3D, you can design, analyze, and optimize your projects effortlessly, ensuring accuracy and saving time. Now let's shift our focus to STAAD.Pro 2000. This is a structural analysis and design software that excels at modeling and analyzing complex structures. Whether you're working on skyscrapers, bridges, or industrial facilities, STAAD.Pro 2000 has got you covered. Its advanced analytical methods allow for the accurate simulation of even the most intricate designs. This means you can anticipate potential issues and make adjustments before they become costly problems. With Civil 3D and STAAD.Pro 2000, civil engineers can design and analyze a wide range of structures. Moving on, we have ETABS. This software is a powerhouse for structural analysis and design, specifically tailored for building structures. Whether you're working on a multi-story office block or a complex high-rise, ETABS brings it all together with its integrated suite of tools. It allows you to seamlessly design and analyze structural elements, providing you with robust models and accurate results. But let's not forget about STAAD.Pro. This software is the jack of all trades in the world of structural analysis and design. With STAAD.Pro, you can handle everything from buildings to bridges and even towers. Its versatility makes it a go-to tool for tackling a wide range of structures. And then there's SketchUp, the 3D modeling software that turns ideas into visual masterpieces. It's the ideal tool for conceptualizing and visualizing civil engineering projects, allowing you to create, modify, and share 3D models with ease. ETABS, STAAD.Pro, and SketchUp are vital software tools for building design, structural analysis, and project visualization. Last but certainly not least, we have HEC-RAS. This powerhouse software is a go-to for hydraulic modeling, simulating river and stream hydraulics with precision and accuracy. Whether you're analyzing floodplains or designing bridges, HEC-RAS offers the robust features needed to tackle these complex tasks. It's like having a river in your computer, but without the wet socks. As we move on to MATLAB, we enter the realm of computational analysis. This software is a lifesaver when it comes to solving complex mathematical problems. With MATLAB, you can crunch numbers, model systems, and simulate scenarios that are relevant to civil engineering. It's like having a superpowered calculator that also speaks fluent engineering. Finally, we come to an essential in every engineer's toolkit, Microsoft Excel. Don't let its simplicity fool you. Excel is a powerhouse for data analysis, calculations, and creating spreadsheets. Whether you're managing project budgets, calculating load factors, or analyzing structural data, Excel has got you covered. It's like having a personal assistant who's really good at math. In conclusion, HEC-RAS for hydraulic modeling, MATLAB for computational analysis, and Microsoft Excel for data management are truly indispensable tools in the world of civil engineering. They each offer unique capabilities that, when combined, provide a comprehensive suite for tackling the diverse challenges in this field. HEC-RAS, MATLAB and Microsoft Excel are indispensable tools for hydraulic modeling, computational analysis and data management in civil engineering.